Everyone's talking about it. This new AI that took the world by storm, breaking records and dominating the app stores in just 7 days. It's faster, cheaper, and already challenging ChatGPT. But is it really as groundbreaking as it seems? Leave a like and subscribe to my channel to find out. Let's dive in. Of course, we are talking about DeepSeek, which is Chinese AI company founded in 2023 by Liam Wenfeng, who also leads the Chinese hedge fund High Flyer. The company focused on developing open source large language models, LLMs, gain attention for its cost-effective approach to developing large language models, making it more affordable alternative than other models, including those from OpenAI. Its flagship model, DeepSeek R1, was developed with the budget of approximately $5.58 million, significantly lower than estimated $6 billion investment by OpenAI. This cost efficiency is achieved through innovating training methods and optimized resource utilization. This model learns from the largest models. So it's like a master teaching apprentice, which means that apprentice doesn't need to know everything, but he needs or she needs to know enough to do the tasks. DeepSeek offers its models at competitive rates. So API access is priced at 55 cents per million inputs token and $2.90 per million output tokens, making it cost-efficient choice for developers. Users can interact with DeepSeek's models for free on the chat platform, providing accessible AI solution without financial burden. In contrast, OpenAI's comparable models are priced at $15 per million inputs token and $60 per million outputs token. So DeepSeek is cheaper. Also, don't forget that DeepSeek R1 model is same model as OpenAI 01 preview or 01, where you have to pay $20 per month to OpenAI to use it, and DeepSeek is free. So DeepSeek is open source, and now we can use it, but how long will it stay open source? We don't know that. Furthermore, Sam Altman claims that the R1 model is just a ripoff of the ChatGPT 01 model. Furthermore, if you use the online version Web UI DeepSeek, you have to remember that the personal information collected from users is stored on the servers located in People's Republic of China. And of course, it's not the only one who sent data to China, but having in mind all the shenanigans with TikTok, that is something you need to be aware of. That's why I personally prefer to run those models offline. And in the next episode, not in this, because in this one we will focus on the DeepSeek and how it works and compared to OpenAI. In the next episode, I will show you step by step how to run your own LLM model on your laptop, on your Mac or Windows or Linux machine. So leave a like and subscribe not to miss that episode. Okay, so we know what DeepSeek is. Let's see how it compares to ChatGPT. So now is a time for the test. Okay, so the first thing, if you remember, OpenAI and all other models had a problem with counting the letters, especially if they were together, like strawberry. If you don't, I did overview and I linked that video. If not here, there will be in the video description. So let's check both of them. Okay, let me grab the word which I want to test. So the first is going. Let's do ChatGPT first. Okay. So the question is, how many times the letter S appears in senseless? Let's have a look. And it was very quick and correct answer. There is 6 instances of letter S. Now let's see what DeepSeek will tell us. Same question, no tricks. And this is something which I like very much about this model. It shows us the thinking process, which is brilliant. As you could see, ChatGPT threw the answer straight away. This model is thinking and show us the logical path, and we can now see that he is counting the letters, positions, and he count correctly. So you can see already it's count correctly, and we will get the answer very soon. Alright, there you are. Correct. But we are not here for grammar or check spelling. We are here to test those AIs if they can help us in day-to-day problems, IT problems, programming problems. So let's ask both languages to code something for us. Okay, let's test both of them and let's write the game Snake in Python. So let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, let's think the chat, and now let's ask DeepSeek. So they're both creating now. Again, we get a thinking process. Okay, I need to write the snake game in Python, all the parameters, everything, while ChatGPT is already coding, yes. And DeepSeek is still thinking of it. Okay, so you can see that ChatGPT is faster than DeepSeek, but DeepSeek may be more correct, more advanced in the thinking process. Okay, so ChatGPT finished. Let's copy the code. So let's put the code to the test. So this is ChatGPT code. Okay, so we call it snake gpt.py. Okay, and it does work. As you can see, I can play the snake and it eats apples. I'm wondering what were the parameters for the walls. Okay, we lost because we hit the wall. Okay, that's fine. That's perfectly working game from ChatGPT. Okay, so let's see what DeepSeek did for us. Oh, it's still coding. And as you can see, we have to use a WASD, not the arrows, which is fine. We could ask to change for the arrows, but it's fine. Let's copy the code. And let's run it. All right. And it does work as well. So without any parameters, without anything which I wanted, both chats create the games. They look different, They work a bit different, but ChatGPT was faster. ChatGPT was faster, and as you could see, the plus on the DeepSeek is that it shows whole thinking process, but the result was slower, and they both works. But now we will test it, which is close to my heart, PowerShell scripts. The AI was never strong in PowerShell scripting, never ever. So I can show you my tests for. I can show you my two tests. One was for ChatGPT and one was for Gemini, and I will link those videos as well. There will be links in the description of that video, but if you click here or here, then you can watch those videos also. So now let's test against PowerShell. The test is very simple. I want the PowerShell script to list all the hosts in the vCenter and return name, make, and model. Very useful, yes. I think I misspelled it. Yeah, very useful. And let's see what they produce. So this is chat, and this is DeepSeek. Let's ask as well the same question. Let's ask the same question an offline model. So we add the third variable. This is offline model for DeepSeek R1. And again, in the next video, I show you how to install it and how to make it run. So leave a like, subscribe, and click notification bell. As I can see now, it's very complicated and it's unnecessary. So let's have a look. I already connected to vCenter, so I don't need this part. What's this? This is... Okay, actually this is the piece what I was looking for. Because it can be one-liner, it's just this. But what we have as here, display the results and export to CSV file. Okay, that's fine. But let's have a look. This will work. This will work, and this may or may not work. If you have a write to C drive, then it will work. So let's copy code here. And again, I was interested only in this part. But let's have a look. Run. And yes, we can see name, manufacturer, and model. That works. Let's now test DeepSeek online, the web version. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, connection. So you know what? I will copy that code to my PowerShell ICE, and that will be better to see this. Okay, so this is not necessary. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, so I only need this. And okay, so if we yeah, simply as that, one liner. That what I was looking for, and the same result. So again, I didn't give AI parameters. I didn't say I have module installed. I didn't say that I don't want to have that I am already connected to vCenter. That's why I have this all the shenanigans. But yeah, but it does work, so it's good. Now, what happened here is too much. It's too complicated. Yeah, again, the connection. Okay, maybe I can ask for one-liner. As one-liner. No need to connect to vCenter as I am already connected. Let's do the same here. Can you do one-liner? No need to connect to vCenter as I am connected. So let's see if that will produce similar results. We copy this to chart. There you are. ChatGPT, one-liner, boom. No problem. This is what I'm looking for, yeah? And DeepSeek still thinking. All right, yeah, it's got it. And offline model didn't get it. Didn't get it, but offline model, it's model, I think, 8B. 8B. This is not the newest model, because the newest model require like 400 gigabytes, which I don't have that space, so I'm using a light model. But there you are. So I haven't tested yet on the more complicated scripts, but it looks like it's better and better. It's slower than ChatGPT, but it's free. Now, one more test. If you last that long, let's ask something which is a bit of what I want to say. Let's ask something which is controversial. So, ChatGPT goes first, and the question is, what happened on Tiananmen Square in 1989? So, ChatGPT gave us an answer about the protests, and the ChatGPT is giving us information. Now, how about the Chinese bot? Sorry, I'm not sure how to approach this question yet. Let's chat about math, coding, and logical problem instead. How about offline model? Offline model works. Online model doesn't. So, online model is censored. There is a censorship. Offline model, there you are. Okay, guys, so this is it. The advantage of DeepSeek is it's free. Apparently, that's what the Chinese want us to believe. They build it on the lesser technology. The card used, they are not NVIDIA, they are low-spec cards, but I have to take this piece of information with pinch of salt, because apparently it's not true that China doesn't have access to NVIDIA cards. They do. they do, and don't believe everything you hear. So if that's true that they build on the lower demand cards, that's great, because it's really showcase that you can get your AI model cheaper and ergo user friendly and more accessible to all of us. And yes, so this is the advantage. However, it works like ChatGPT. It's slower than ChatGPT, produce similar outcomes apart from the sensors and the subject which are not and the subject which are considered sensitive to China. If you're okay with that one, go and use a free AI. If not, OpenAI is still there. Or offline models. Again, offline models we will talk more in the next video. I am Angry Admin from angrysysops.com. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.